Linking your bank account to Redwood Credit Union is a straightforward process that allows for easier management of your finances. Follow these steps to successfully connect your accounts. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin, ensure you have your bank account details handy, including the account number, routing number, and any necessary identification information. Step 2. Log into your Redwood Credit Union account. Visit the Redwood Credit Union website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or link accounts option in the menu. This section will provide you with options to manage your linked accounts. Step 4. Select link a new account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and finalize the link. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the request. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. Now you can easily manage your finances with your bank account linked to Redwood Credit Union. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.